It's like people who say that, oh, you pronounce your name wrong. It's like, it's my name. I know how to pronounce it.
No, it's yeah. There we go. I got it. All right.
You
Yeah, I mean,
gaslight me.
obviously it's pronounced cries.
I accidentally signed off on an email, so I always do like dash
Yes,
space
I'm
and then
buying
my
it.
first name is like the end of my email, right?
Mm-hmm.
But I typed it too fast and I forgot the S at the end, so it looked like I just signed it off with cry.
Me too.
Try harder.
I may or may not have bought a voice line because I had credits lying around. I can't
Where
hear it
is
yet.
everybody?
This makes me sad. No, it's now it's the even more annoying one. I just can't hear it yet because I have dots.
Ow.
I can't hear my voice line. There we go. Wait, maybe. Nope, not yet. I still can't hear it. Oh man.
Let's go. I'm a duck.
I can't hear it. There it is. Ow.
It's like, yeah, tank, I was gonna ask you to... She's almost dead.
Beep beep.
Beep beep. The joyride.
Beep, beep, machine.
Beep, machine.
Just apologize?
Why?
I gotta continue to beep beep boom boom.
Beep beep boom boom?
Definitely wasn't talking about anything else when I said that.
Oh,
Definitely
fuck.
not.
Oh, they left.
Wow.
I am a duck.
Video. Let's go to 80%.
Oh, I hear Morale again.
Yeah.
Good, you don't sound like
Soundboard.
you're killing my ears anymore.
I can change that.
Turn down your sensitivity.
I had to unbeep beep boom boom to just beat beat.
Ow. Getting close to a Junkrat is not a smart idea.
Yeah. Flying get a Junkrat though, smarter.
He says beep beep boom boom in time, and then he beep beep boom boomed all over those.
Beep beep boom boom.
Hey, I can do that too.
My beep till I boom.
She beep boom.
No, no, no.
The choice of words
Beep on
there
my
does
beep
not
until
make
I
it
boom
sound
boom.
great.
Okay, the monotone's over. I took myself out
She
of it.
can't beep until I boom.
You know, it'd be funny
Dying.
Oh my god, pot.
if someone made a mod that all it did was change the direction that Karlak was looking in that scene, so it was just like slightly off of directly at you, so it was like addressing someone who's watching the player.
Yeah, it's someone behind you.
Would that not
Somebody's
be
right
like?
behind me, isn't
Would that not be like profoundly disturbing and hilarious?
I'll be honest,
Yeah.
everything that's just got said flew over my head because Ari won't shut the
Cause
fuck up
beep
in
beep
game.
beep 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 beep.
This is the
Yeah,
Shambler
right, go.
Monastery, right?
I just got trapped.
That's
Drafted?
nice. I've killed 3.
junk on my rat?
I've never been more ready for adventure.
All right,
Wait,
somebody have a
reverse
nice
that.
conversation while
Reverse
I
that.
beat. Excuse me.
Excuse you, while you what?
For some bloodshed? You trying to get? Is it smarted or
While I beep beep.
Oh, I thought you said beat.
No, beep beep.
Oh shit.
Roadrunner moment.
Yeah, they're a very nice shape.
One. Round
Sigma.
capture objective.
Whee!
Results.
If you really think about it, bugs are
But-
just little plants that
Should
No,
I,
my
should I
beep
bother
beep.
going hog?
My beep beep.
Do I go hog or no?
Locked and loaded. Who's ready to
Is it
get
worth
this
it?
done?
This is the only answer you're getting.
This is not hog.